Greetings! This is Josie, and I am the runner, maker, user, administrator of josiehowarth.info. And this is the very first tutorial I am going to create because I know that there are a variety of people who are trying to get in touch with me through Kaplan University for either support and tutoring or just, would like some assistance, and that is one of the things that I do for fun. If you are reaching me and you're kind of curious as to how I actually do things, this little tutorial is going to give you a quick how-to. To start off with, I like to use Skype for my tutorials. The reason for it is pretty simple. It allows voice communication. It allows me to see your desktop but not control it. And this allows me to act like I'm sort of sitting next to you in a computer classroom, pointing things out, showing you things, and actually see exactly what you're working on at any moment in time. Another thing that I really, really like about this is the fact that it's free. That's right. Skype itself is free. If you go to skype.com and click on download, you'll be able to download Skype. Now, Skype is a voice over IP system. This particular application is brilliant, and if you want to, you can actually use it to make phone calls to Kaplan itself with their 800 number. Well, it's 866 now, but you know what I mean. At least I use it that way because I do happen to be in the United Kingdom. This allows me to make free calls to them. But if you decide you say wanted to call your brother in Dallas, well, you'll probably end up paying for it. So just keep in mind, it's free computer to computer or computer to toll-free number. Anyway, go ahead and download Skype by clicking on Download Skype Now and install it. Just run through the little setup. If you have to approve it, be it whether you're on Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, etc. There is also a Mac client, although I'm not certain if the Mac client does allow me to actually view your screen, and I know that there is a Linux client as well. It's not as up to date as the current Skype client is for Windows, but it does actually allow me to speak with you, and that is a good thing. Now, once you have downloaded Skype, you're going to notice a screen pop up. This screen is going to tell you, oh noes, you don't have an account with us yet. If you do not have an account with Skype, go ahead and create one now. You can put in your name here. You don't have to use your real name if you don't want to. If you want to, go for it. You then create a Skype name. This is the name that I am going to use to contact you. What this means is you need to make sure that you email it to me. That's pretty simple. Go ahead and set up a password. Make sure you repeat it. And of course, put in a valid email address. And then repeat it. If you want promotions from Skype News, keep that clicked. If not, unclick it. Then you just agree and create the account. Once you have created the account, you can then log into Skype. Now, once you have logged into Skype, you can actually go to my website, scroll down, and in the menus here, you can click on About Josie, which is me. You can then scroll down and click on this to chat with me, and it will open up the Skype window to me and you can send a message. If I happen to be sitting at my computer, I will respond within 5 minutes. If it shows me as offline, just go ahead and write a message and send it to me anyway. Once I log in, I will get it. Now, couple of things you should keep in mind with Skype. There are a few drawbacks. Nothing in this world is perfect. Well, except maybe code. Okay, that's pushing it. I'm sorry. Just a bit of my bad humor, very dry. At times with Skype, I do appear offline when in fact I am online. This is just because sometimes it doesn't like to show me as being online, or the connections don't happen to reach each other or whatever. This is why I say, even if I seem offline, send me a Skype message anyway. If I'm there, it'll show up to me, and I will be all, hi, and you can talk with me. Another thing, disconnections can happen. Just like with any other program that uses bandwidth, which this happens to do, if we get disconnected at any point in time, I will call you back. Don't worry, just because we get disconnected doesn't mean I'm going to go, oh, patooey, get up and walk away from the computer. I don't happen to work that way. But anyway, now that you know how Skype works, now you can contact me. Thank you. I will be putting up some more tutorials shortly, but this should hopefully at least get you started and getting in touch with me. Have a good one, and this has been Josie, hopefully with an informative tutorial.